Hey friends, Tony here from TL Yarn Crafts. I'm taking a little break from crochet to share a fun DIY with you. These are macrame coasters. I made a set of 4 of these coasters in less than 30 minutes using supplies I already had in my craft room plus one special tool. And that tool is a lucette. Also called a knitting fork, these tools date back to Viking and medieval times. But our friends at Furls are putting a modern twist on this classic tool. The fork itself is made out of teak, the tines have a beautiful curve to them, the center hole is smooth, the handle has a comfortable thumb rest, and the handle itself is ergonomically shaped so using this lucette is gentle on your hands. To make our coasters, we'll need a few supplies. Of course, we'll need our lucette. We'll also need 3mm macrame cord. We'll grab a pair of scissors, a tape measure, wooden beads, a tapestry needle, a hot glue gun, and some scrap felt to protect our work surface. I've included links to all of these supplies as well as several places to find your perfect lucette in the description below. To start making your cord, hold your lucette in your dominant hand and hold the tail of the cord along the handle of the fork. Then weave the cord around the fork as so. Bring the bottom loop over the top loop of your right tine and then over the tine. Then flip your work, bringing the working yarn over the tine that is now on the right. Again, bring the bottom loop over the top loop and over the tine. Repeat these steps, slightly tugging the growing rope to maintain even tension. We'll want to keep building our rope until we have 38 inches. I found with my tension, a 38-inch cord makes a 4.5-inch coaster. As you can see, I went a little bit over here on making my cord, so I'll pull that extra bit of cord out. Now I'll cut the working yarn and thread the tail through the loops of the cord to fasten off. At this point, start heating up your hot glue gun. Choose the least pretty end of your cord to be the center of your coaster. Lay a bead of glue along one side of the 4-sided braid and wrap the end into the cord. Continue gluing and wrapping for the whole length of the cord. When you get close to the end, thread the bead onto the tail. Then thread the tail into the project. A bead of glue helps to hold everything in place. And that's it, friends. A set of these coasters with a bottle of wine would make a perfect housewarming or hostess gift. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and will give a lucette a try. please take a moment to like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, I'm Tony, and I'll see y'all next time.